guys, I'm Mala. I'm back with another video for you guys, and today's video is how to apply a perfect liquid liner. We all love liquid liners. It can get a little tricky, but I have some awesome tips and tricks for you guys, and you shall be a winged liner expert like that. I'm gonna straight dive into it, y'all, and I'm gonna show you how to perfect that liquid line. Let's go. Hi you guys, so I am gonna start now. A good tip is to start from the middle of your eyelid, and also not to try and cover the entire eyelid in one fell swoop, like one go. छोटे छोटे स्ट्रोक्स यूज़ करो. बहुत लंबा पूरा आईलिड एक स्ट्रोक में कवर करने से ज़्यादा अच्छा इफ़ेक्ट और ज़्यादा प्रिसाइज इफ़ेक्ट आता है इफ़ यू ट्राई टू कवर स्मॉल सेक्शंस एट वंस. Another thing that you should keep in mind is that the most beautiful shape of the eye comes out when you have a thicker eyeliner towards the outer edge of the eyelid and a much thinner line towards the inside. For a winged liner, the wing that you have, it looks best if it's in the line of your lower eye. Make sure there are no gaps between the lashes and the liner. Fill in the lash line and then it'll be perfect. Also, it really helps to keep your wing in line with your lower lash line. That way you will have a much better guideline to make your wing and extend your wing when you go in line of your lower lash line. Now we do the same thing on the other side. So guys, to sum up, use shorter strokes to make your eyeliner. Keep it thicker towards the outside and thinner towards the inside. And make sure that the thickness increases very gradually from the inner corner to the outer corner. Go in line of your lower eye and then take out the wing in line of your lower eye. Keep the wing of your eyeliner pointing upwards, going in line of your lower lashes and your lower eye line. And we've got ourselves a lovely eyeliner, and all is good with the world. Everything is so much better with beautiful winged liner. Don't you agree? The liner that I used is Lakme Absolute Precision Liquid Liner, and it is waterproof. It is super long wear, and I like the felt tip. I hope you liked the video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and please consider subscribing to my channel because I make lots of nice videos for you guys, and I would love to have you here in my YouTube family. I will be back soon, you guys. See ya!